If you can name these breeds, you love to play with dogs a lot. Let's begin. First one. Labrador Retriever. Second one. Golden Retriever. Third one. Bulldog. Like, if you got everything correct so far, medium level. German Shepherd. Next one. Rottweiler. Stay tuned for the bonus question. Sixth one. Great, Dan. What about this one? Saint Bernard. Bonus question. Which large dog breed is known as a gentle giant and comes from Germany? Answer in the comments. Unbeatable one. Australian Shepherd is the last one.